Are you fed up of queuing for food at the shops and not getting what you want? Well, there is another way. Why not grow your own? Look at Doris, and it's easier than you think. All you're going to need is a bit of garden, a spade, and of course some seed. Choose your own. This works very well with potatoes, carrots, and onions. But look what Doris has chosen. Bananas. Now, look at Doris. Using her spade, she goes down a good 6 inches and makes a nice little ditch. Is that deep enough now, Doris? No, it looks like there can be more digging there, Doris. You're digging for England now, if not Australia. Far enough now, Doris? Doris has had enough. Doris now gently covers her seeds. Gently does it. That looks like you've done the job there nicely, Doris. And now what we need is some water. Is that enough now, Doris? I think you might need some more. Now what we need is a bit of patience. Patience now as we gently watch the garden come to light. And what we might need after a dry period is some more water. Is that enough, Doris? Now look, after a few days, what we're rewarded with is, here is the result. Yum, yum, yum. Don't forget to peel it first though, Doris. Next week, prunes. Stay safe.